Dear student, today we shall study about physical feature of India. It is important lesson for you. India has almost all physical features of the earth like mountains, rivers, plain, plateau, island, etc. Beside these, India also has vast deserts, large rivers, deltas, and extensive forest land. Formation of these features is related to the formation of rocks. There are different type of rocks in India. Some are very hard like marble, granite, etc. And some are soft like soap used for making talcum powder. Soil are formed out of different types of rocks. That's why these are found in different colors from place to place. The cause of these variation to do it to differences in rock formation. Movement of these plates have changed the position and size of the contents over millions of years. They have led to the evolution of the present landform feature of India. Most volcanoes and earthquakes in the world are located at place margins but do occur within the plates. Major physiographic divisions. The physical features of India can be grouped under the following physiographic divisions. First, the Himalayan mountain. Second, the northern plain. Third, the peninsular plateau. Fourth, the Indian deserts. Fifth, the coastal plains. And last, the islands. First of all, we begin the Himalayan mountain. The Himalayas are geographically young, the structurally fold mountains. Fold mountains means Balit Parvat. They stretch over the northern border of India. They form an arc covering a distance about 2,400 kilometers. Their width varies from 400 kilometers in Kashmir to 150 kilometers Arunachal Pradesh. These mountain ranges run in west-east direction from the Indus to the Brahmaputra river. It is highest mountain in the world. The altitudinal variation of Himalayas are greater in the eastern half than those in the western half. The Himalayas consist of these parallel ranges in its longitudinal extent. A number of valleys lie between these ranges. First, the part of Himalayas, the Himadri or Inner Himalayas or Great Himalayas. The northern east ranges is known as the Great of Inner Himalayas or the Himadris. It is the most continuous range of the Himalayas with the average height 6,000 meters. It contains all the prominent Himalayan peaks like Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Makalu and Others is the highest peak of the Himalayas in India, which a height of 8,598 meters. It's called Everest. Whereas the highest peak, Mount Everest, 8,848 meters, lies in Nepal. It is the highest peak in the world also. Second, Himachal of Lesser Himalayas. This range lies to the south of the Himadri and form of most rugged mountains system. It is composed of highly compressed rocks with height varying from 3,700 meters to 4,500 meters. The average width of the range of the Himalayas is 50 kilometers. It is composed of ranges like Pir Panjal, Dhauladhar and Mahabharat. The Pir Panjal range is the longest and most important range. Third, Shivalik range. This is the overmost range of the Himalayas with height varying between 900 and 1100 meters. The average width it is 10 to 50 kilometers. They are composed of coarse sediments brought down by rivers from the main Himalayas ranges. These valleys are covered with thick gravel and alluvial. The longitudinal valleys lying between the Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks are known as dunes with names like Dehradun, Koti Dun and Patli Dun. Next, regional divisions of Himalayas. The Himalayas are also divided on the basis of regions from west to east. This demarcation of done by the river valley, the Indus, Satluj, Kali, Tista and Dihang rivers, Punjab, Kumayu and Assam Himalayas. In the west, the part of Himalayas lying between Indus and Satluj has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya, but it is also known regionally as Kashmir and Himachal Himalayas from west to east, respectively. The part of the Himalayas lying between Satluj and Kali rivers is known as Kumayu Himalayas. The Kali and Tista rivers demarcates the Nepal Himalayas, and the part lying between the Tista and Dihang rivers is known as Assam Himalayas. That's all.